The words I am divine, children, are great cleaning words, cleansing words that help us clean up our mind, empty our container, so that we can start focusing better, feeling better, and start also bringing better results into our life. We are able to focus better, we are able to perform better. Otherwise, what will happen? Even though we know everything, we'll forget answers. We'll forget to put our answers down properly in the examination. Why? Because we are very nervous. 1 or 2 minutes before you start your homework for the day, your studies for the day, before you even get out of your bed, you are going to repeat, right? What are you going to repeat? I am divine. I am divine. Then no fear will come, children. No nervousness will come. No worry will come. No tension will happen. You will tell yourself, I am divine. Automatically, you see, the body starts moving into a positive state of vibration. Now, children, let's do an exercise. Okay? This exercise will help us understand how, if we pass an intention, instantly the body reacts. Instantly, you don't have to wait for too long. Are you ready to do this exercise? Okay. So for that, you first of all bring both your palms together like this, just as I have brought my hands. Okay. Now see, most of us can observe that our fingers are more or less of the same length, na? Same height. In my hands, more or less the same. Okay. Now what we will do is, we will stretch our right palm outside and we will look at the fingers of our right hand. We will look at the fingers of our right hand. And we will pass an intention. My fingers grow longer. Are you ready for this exercise? We will pass an intention. You will look at your fingers. You will look at your right palm, which is stretched outside. And repeat with me, my fingers grow longer. Is everybody repeating? My fingers grow longer. My fingers grow longer. Now put all your concentration into your right hand fingers. My fingers grow longer. Okay, let's join our hands. Watch me as you do it. Watch me as you do it. Watch me as you do it. See my fingers? Are you able to see my right hand fingers? Are you able to see they are longer, children?
Miss, my fingers grow a little bit more longer.
Little bit longer. But you know what? This shows that whatever we focus on, whatever thought you focus on grows stronger. So after some time, children, by the way, the hands grow back to normal. Same, they'll come back. You know why that happens? Because I just gave this thought and intention once that my fingers grow longer. And this is not magic, children. This is the truth. If you pass an intention and look at something, automatically, whatever the intention, it begins to manifest. The lesson each of us need to take from this exercise is, whatever I give my attention to grows stronger in life. So every day, if I want to develop some good habits, all of us want to develop good habits, right? If we want to develop good habits, every day in the morning, no, you should tell yourself, these are the habits I am going to develop. Every day, if you feed the thoughts, children, like the fingers that grew longer just in few seconds, but later on they go back to normal. Why? Because I'm not giving this thought every day. I just gave this thought once now. But if you give certain thoughts to yourself on a daily basis, children, these thoughts go so strong into our mind that automatically, they drive our behavior. So if the positive habit is, I wake up every day on time to go to school, then as you're giving your thought every day, I wake up very happily every morning on time. As you're giving this thought every day, automatically, you see, children, in few days, you will see you're waking up more happy. You're happily waking up. You're enjoying your morning time instead of being grumpy, grumbling. Oh, I don't feel like getting up. I don't want to go to school. I will not enjoy my time in school. Can I be home? You see, all these thoughts don't come because you wake up with a positive feeling. But that will only happen, children, if you choose at least 2 to 3 good habits and thoughts that you want to give yourself. And if you give yourself these thoughts every day, you clean up your mind. You clean up of your mind from all those old thoughts that I cannot wake up, I don't feel like going, I cannot do this. See, automatically the old thoughts will go. Why? Because you are giving yourself new thoughts every day and they become so strong inside you. Automatically, they begin to dominate our energy and our vibration. So, vibration is going up like this now because of the good thoughts. So, all of you right now, you have paper and pencil with you. I want you to write down at least 2 habits, 2 good positive habits you want to develop. Remember, our habits shape our life. Our habits affect our health. So choose at least 2 good habits that you want to develop and please put it down. So what are we going to do with these positive habits now? Morning we have to say. Morning we have to say because morning is the time when we can program our mind, children. Morning, no, our mind is like that open container, like we said. The chance of whatever you give it to get downloaded inside is very, very high. So morning is the best time to reprogram our mind, to feed good thoughts. So that thought comes to us when we wake up with a smile on our faces. We don't want to wake up grumpy. No, we don't want to scare God. We want to wish God good morning first thing, no? So are you wishing God good morning? Every day when you wake up, how will you wish good morning? With a smile on your face. Big smile, broad smile you're going to give God. Yes? And after that, chant Om 3 times. Each of us should chant Om in the morning. As you chant Om, that thought that we were trying to give ourselves, I am divine, no? That thought is experienced by you. You will actually feel it in your body because Om is the verbal symbol of God. It's almost as if that practical experience of the fact that I am not alone. I am protected by God. God is with me. Where? Not outside, inside. Okay? Wake up with a smile, chant Om 3 times. And then what are we going to say? What are we going to say in the morning? What should we say to God? Shouldn't we say thank you? We should say thank you, right? For this new day. Yes? See, if somebody gives you a gift and you're not showing your pleasure, you're not showing you're happy with it, other person will feel like giving you the gift again. I won't feel like giving you a gift if you're not happy receiving my gift. Every day, children, every day is a gift we have been given. In the morning, God gives us the gift of a new day. Are we saying thank you for it? Are we saying thank you to God for this gift? Every day He's giving us a new gift in the form of a new day. So we have to wake up with a smile. We have to show God, I'm ready to receive the blessing that you have given me. Wake up with a smile, chant Om 3 times, and then you have to spread your arms out and say what? Thank you, God, for this new day. Thank you, God, for this new day. Thank you, God, for this new day. So waking up with a smile, chanting Om and opening our arms wide. You know, all my students, even my older students, I always tell them to open their arms. And you know what they tell me? They say, ma'am, I've stopped feeling stressed now. Now I don't feel stress about work. I feel like waking up in the morning. I feel like doing my work. So imagine, children, if all of us start doing it. Open our arms wide. All stress will go away. All tension about school, homework, everything will go away. Shall we do it together? All of us, are you ready? Okay, but you have to stretch your arms wide and you have to smile. You have to smile. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Thank you, God, for this new day. So morning, relieve all your stress. Don't keep any tension. Morning, we have to smile and we have to program ourselves for a successful, happy day. Successful day, happy day, loving day. So, thank you, God. In the morning is very
It feels
important.
better now. It feels better now.
It feels better now, no? It's going to feel even better as you do it every day. You'll love it. You'll feel so good.
If you enjoyed this video, do share it with others. Subscribe to this channel. Click the bell icon to stay updated with all our latest videos. This is Dr. Karishma Ahuja wishing you all the very best. Namaste. God bless.